Alright, so I got my garlic order from M.I. Gardener. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to start using my hori hori knife here. I'm going to start planting some garlic.
Just put it down.
Alright, so... Oh, so we did get some Egyptian walking onions.
Nice.
Cool. Didn't know if we...
Yes,
I thought they were out. Okay,
no,
cool.
I ordered them.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, might send these to GT.
Okay.
So we got tons. So if you're watching this, GT Junior, you get some onions. So here, I'm just gonna dump them out. I'm not even gonna label them. It's gonna be garlic. It's gonna be garlic. Hey, you order enough garlic?
Hey, you wanted garlic? I got garlic.
So this one is the Amish, and the first one was the Natachi. This is the Parisian Star. And I'm going to use them to break them up into individual cloves and just plant them in this entire bed, because I typically do my Thunderdome bed in this section. There's some elephant garlic.
Huge.
Mm-hmm. But I'm going to back this up so I start.
Okay.
So, this is the purple glazier. This is the northern white. This is just the music garlic, whatever that means. It's purple garlic. It's pretty.
Well, we'll have to put them other places. What was that
one? Was the... It does not say... Oh, it does. Okay. This is the German Extra or something like that. Whatever that's supposed to say. Kind of faded. This is the Avon hardneck. This is the another German white. We just got two of them. So I'm going to put that one here. This might put in other beds. Other areas for pest pressure. This is the Spanish Rojo. Supposed to be good garlic. This is the German Red. This is the Russian Red. Ukrainian Red. Apparently you need for red garlic, I guess.
I just got the hardneck. Whatever it was, a hardneck. You got it.
Smart. And the chestnut red.
They had available in hardneck. That's what we use.
This is the Ugancy something.
You never know which one will like the most.
True. And the reason why I don't really care about the labels is because whatever comes up, I'm just gonna save the heads from.
Okay. Okay. Chopper going by.
They're coming for you. What did you do?
Planted illegal plants.
Hey, you might try that someday. One here. Nothing's in the middle. This one here. This one here. This one here. This one here. Alright, so I'll take my hori knife and I'm going to do is I'm going to break these. I'll do it without the gloves because it's easier. But you can also use the hori knife, the well, this is the sharp side, and just kind of go in between to get the first one. So even if you ruin the first one, which I don't think I did, plant pointy side up. That's where the roots come out of. You just, look to, well, I can do it with my fingers. The soil's loose enough, but just so that the tip is barely sticking out there. And then now that I got that one going, I can just come through. You see this? These ones still have all the paper on it. I can just come through. Some strong garlic. And just break it up into individual cloves and then start planting. So I'll show it when I'm done. Okay. Alright, so the garlic is all planted, and even though my squirrels are usually pretty good boys, they are obsessed with garlic and they will dig it all up and eat it. So I've got this twill fabric. I'm going to lay over the top there, stake that down, and then I'm going to put fencing around it. So hopefully that'll keep them out until it grows up. And then once it gets growing, they don't care. They're obsessed with it when I first plant it, but then once it actually is growing, they leave it alone. So there's my hopefully 2025 garlic. Awesome. Forgot to mention that I put a ton of hip bedding mulch down because in zone 4 it gets super cold, and hopefully this will protect my garlic over winter. Because a couple winters ago I tried garlic and it all just froze, and the freeze-thaw cycle, it just rotted. It was no good. Mild winter last winter, and I had lots of garlic. So even if we have a harsher winter, hopefully this will protect it.